Okay, so back again, just had an order for a custom lens filter case, and it's got to fit into a drone's storage box. I've previously designed one, so as you can see there's 5 different spaces here, and I've only got 3 filters filling it. And then I've got a little space here for the lens cleaning cloth and SD cards and stuff like that. But the custom order, he has some different size filters, and I'm gonna have to redesign my original lens case and probably do a better job of it. I've learned a lot since I've made this case. Yeah, so I'm gonna jump into 123D design and get stuck into this. Okay, so I'm resizing the spaces between each of the filters and also creating a few new ones, as you can see there. Yeah, so just moving everything around to better suit the desired layout and make space for the lens filters and micro SD cards. So here I'm creating a template to cut out the SD card slots, and I'm just going to do a test print right now. So here's what we just 3D printed, the little test. See how the SD cards fit. Yeah, let's get that to focus. Okay, so we've got some calipers here just to measure. So we're going to need, it's about 10 mil. But also, I don't like how it slots in. It gets caught on that tab here. That one. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to make this hole a little bit wider so that it goes past that tab and sits in a little bit deeper. So I've altered the SD card slots slightly and chamfered and curved the edges. Now I've put it back together with the lid, and I'm just designing how they're going to interlock. So I've reduced the size of the original lid, and I've put a little slot into the bottom of the case so the lid can just slide on. Now I'm going to open it in Cura, and I'm going to print it with about 20% infill and 3 walls around the outside, and that should be enough to make the case strong. Okay, so after about 8 hours of printing today, we've got the finished product. So it slides off quite nicely. Got the 6 lens spots, spot for the larger lens cap, 2 smaller ones, smaller lens cap, and 4 micro SD card slots. And that slips on quite nicely. When compare that to my old one, yeah, that just falls out. This one, it's not going anywhere. It's going to very nicely protect the lenses. So I think I might have to make myself a new one. Anyway, thanks for watching. So yeah, I've got a number of 3D prints available from my store. Also more than happy to do custom work, so if there's something that you'd like designed and built, send me an email through my website, and I'm sure I could come up with something. Thanks again. I'll see you around.